Need to quickly and securely send money? Let's learn how to make a wire transfer with Usaa. First, log into your Usaa account on either the website or the mobile app. This is where the magic begins. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Transfer section. You may find this under Transfer Funds or a similarly labeled option. Inside, you'll usually find a wire transfer option. Click on New Domestic Wire Transfer, or, if sending internationally, New International Wire Transfer, depending on where you're sending the money. Now comes the recipient's information. You'll need details, like the recipient's full name and address. The name and address of their bank. Always double check for accuracy. Enter the recipient's account number and routing number for domestic transfers or SWIFT. BIC code for international transfers. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send, and select a reason for the wire transfer. You may have options to set a delivery date and any special instructions. Confirm other information, ensuring everything is correct. Then review all information. Usaa will then guide you through security protocols. You might need to verify your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email. Then, confirm the transfer. Note any fees associated with the transaction. These are shown during or after the review stage, and may vary depending on the destination and transfer size. And that's it. Your wire transfer has been successfully initiated. You'll receive a confirmation screen and likely an email confirmation to you. Can usually track the status of your transfer within your Usaa account. Sending money has never been easier or more secure.